Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to go through how I like to create a thumbnail for YouTube for my other channel, my more vloggy, DIY, gardening lifestyle channel. It's just kind of everything. I have a very specific way that I make my thumbnails because I like them to look consistent. So when one pops up in your YouTube feed, you know it's mine. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, they're free to create, although you can upgrade your account to a pro membership, and let me tell you, worth every penny. You can try it free for 30 days using the link in the description. So we're going to click Create a Design and then go down to YouTube Thumbnail. They make it super easy. And there are a ton of templates that you can customize already here. So if you don't feel like coming up with something on your own, or you just need some inspiration, this is a great option. Some of them, of course, are pro feature only, but there are a ton of free options as well. So what I like to do in my thumbnails is use either one main photo or 4 photos that kind of, bring in the content of what the video is about. And I like to just do a 4-square grid. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm dragging these pictures in. It's going to add them to my uploads folder, and I'm just spacing them out so they're exactly, 2 by 2. And what I like about Canva is it gives you these guidelines so you can see, okay, I'm at the halfway hot dog wise, and hamburger wise, I'm at the halfway. So it's nice and even. Takes the guesswork out of it. And then another thing that I like to do is to do a transparent overlay of just white. It really helps my text pop. So what I do is I go to Elements and I search for rectangle. And it doesn't matter what color it is right now. I'm just gonna cover the whole thing. But I like to change mine to white. And then you click this button up here. It's kind of like the faded dots, I guess. And that's where you can adjust your transparency. So I like to put mine at 40 just as a general, guideline for myself for my own thumbnails. And then I click on text, and there are so many options that you can choose, but I have a specific one that I use for every single thumbnail, and it's this cold, smooth, and tasty one. So now I'm just changing the copy on it. And making a little bit wider so that everything shows up. I'm also going to change the size a little bit. I just play around with this to see how it will best look on this specific thumbnail. Sometimes I have ones where, it's left aligned and I put the whole thing in the bottom left corner. Or in this instance where there's an element in all 4 corners, I chose to put it in the middle. And then you can add text effects. So there are all sorts of different text effects that you can put on there. You can change the color of the text. There's just so many things. Canva really allows you to really customize pretty much everything. I always use the glitch effect, so that's what I'm using here, getting it nice and centered. And then I'll just click share and download and download. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have any suggestions for tutorials that you'd like me to create, please let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.